Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a task in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to tap on a project, then tap on a task. And here in the top right corner we find three little dots. You can just tap on those. And at the bottom we find delete task. If you tap on this, the app is going to ask us if we are sure about our decision and if we really want to delete the task. If we are sure, we can just tap on delete and the task is going to be deleted. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.